Hey guys, I'm back. I just filmed the video right now and as usual it did not save. The audio of the video is a disaster. It did not save at all. I think the website that I use is corrupted. I have no idea. I did not bring my camera along with me, so I couldn't film with that. My other phone is charging right now, so that's what I usually use right now. So I'm using the iPhone XR to record. And I just filmed a video, in case you're wondering why my hair is pink. So I just filmed a video of me using this guy, the Garnier Naturals, Color Naturals, Cranberry Red. So yeah, I just was explaining that I cannot stand my blonde hair because my blonde hair has been quite a long time. I just decided to ditch it and try a new color. I did not want to go ridiculously dark because then I cannot go ridiculously light. I did not want to go ridiculously blonde because I did not want to go too whitey. I didn't want to go to yellow. I didn't want to go anywhere else. So I'm going to try this color. This color seems quite nice. I always wanted to try like a purpley reddy type color. So it's going to hopefully turn out somewhere similar to this purpley reddy color. Obviously in the light it'll be brighter, obviously in the dark it'll be darker. So yeah, I'm pissed because I filmed the whole video of me doing the tutorial and it goes off. So whatever, I'm just gonna explain to you guys what did I actually do. So there's about two steps to this guy. One is the Color Naturals developer, and then this is that's the Color Naturals cream color, and then is this guy, the Garnier Color Naturals Ultra Color Developer. So I use both the developer and the color, and it turned out to be the pink. I still have a balance because I do have shorter hair, so I don't want to use too much in it. I didn't want to go completely berserk with the color and go ridiculously light, because you can see it's like going on my skin. So I'm just gonna wash it out later. It takes about 30 minutes to color, and you can use your they give you a conditioner right now, which is this guy, the Garnier Color Naturals conditioner, which uses avocado, which is quite white, super sweet, and it's super soft, and it's not like the other colors where it's like completely bleaching and burning my head off. So the steps is basically simple. You just have to mix them and then put them in your head. You can apply the mixture immediately using a hair coloring brush on a dry unwashed hair. You can either use the glove provider and put it straight on your hair. You can put it in the brush, or you can put it in your hair. It depends on how you're coloring. You can also use like a small comb like what I have over here, but I did not use the comb. I just used my fingers because my hair is quite short. You can leave this about 30 minutes. Make sure the hair is completely covered. Make sure you do not leave any spots. Make sure it's all dried out, completely drying out quite easily because the hotel's aircon, I think, is drying out my hair. So it's quite nice. It's quite simple. Hopefully it turns out good. So, and my hair is pink. So yeah. So hopefully the color turns out good. I recorded about 10 to 15 minutes video. It's quite funny and whatever. In case you're wondering, yes, you're sitting down on a sink. You're sitting down on my MacBook, which is sitting down on a sink, because there's no other way to film this video. I'm gonna film another video later on. It's gonna be a Q&A style video. That one will be out also. So this is just a short me changing my hair color from blonde to cranberry red. Hopefully red. Hopefully not pink. I think my scalp will be pink from my hair will be red. I have no idea. Okay, so yeah, so I will see you guys in 30 minutes. Okay. So I'm back. So my hair is done. It's completely pinkish, reddish color, no longer blonde. I do have my dark hair in the sides because it did not go on the sides properly. I'm going to cut my hair a bit more so it's straight out a bit more. I love it. It's different. I never had like light color like this before, like pink. So it did turn out kind of light because of the bleach. Because my hair was bleached before this, so this is like the color. I love it. It's super, super, super cute. Super nice. My family's gonna kill me, but whatever. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again. Bye bye.